Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mariam Fatma and I'm here with another video. If you are new in my YouTube channel, so please watch the full video, and if you like, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. In this video, I will discuss about the 10 best study apps for students. Hope you like my video. Please watch the complete video. I personally used all of these apps, so trust me, these all are best study apps for students. It will increase your focus on studies. When we sit on a study table and want to study but don't understand that what should we learn first, it may be numerical of physics, experiment of chemistry, and assignment of mathematics. So first app is about to write down the all homework and make a to-do list. First app is to-do list app. In this app, you can write a new task, like I write assignment of mathematics, and I also write here the last date of assignments. You can also set as a reminders to remind yourself. Lets you write, organize and prioritize your task more effectively. In many ways, To-Do app is the ultimately productive app. So when we start study, but just receiving a single notification on your phone can cause enough of a distraction to impair your ability to focus on study. So next app is Forest app. Forest app is very productive way to focus on studies. You select the time that how much time you want to study. It may be 30, 50 minutes, 60 minutes or many more. This app is best for students who have a hard time for focusing. Leaving the app causes the tree to wither away. You start planting a tree when you need to stay focused. And this is a very helpful app. A fun way to stay productive and motivated while studying and doing homework. So move on to our next app. When we do study, always questions come in our mind. So what about the questions? So the solution of this is Scortrick. Write the question on the register which you find difficult to solve. Click a snap of it and crop it, and then press the go button. And then you can see that the answer is also here. This app is also attached to YouTube videos and Google websites to clear out all the concept of the students, and it is a very helpful app. Scortrick. It solves the questions of multiple books. It also gives detailed explanations and links to videos for students. So there's another questions comes in our mind. So what about the math questions? So there's another app called Mathway. In this app, you can click the question of math and then crop it. Like you see that I crop it and then press the send button. And then click the question you want to answer. And this is the answer of the question. Like you see that this app answers the questions very well. This app is best for mathematics students. So Mathway provides the students with ready answers to math problems at nearly any level. Another very important learning app is called Brainly. You want to click the picture of your question, like you want to do in Scortrick and Mathway, same method is, and then crop it and then click the go button, and like you see that it scans the question and the answer of the question is here. This is a very helpful app for students. Coming to matter, Brainly enables the children to clarify their doubts by asking questions. The moderators are quick and extremely helpful with any questions you ask them. Move on to our next tab, which is my favorite, the Adobe Scan. You want to click the picture of your assignments and presentations you want to send. So I click the picture of my assignment I want to send to my sir, and then crop it. You adjust your picture and then to click on the continue button. Then you can also change the name of assignments. And click on the save PDF. You can also share the copy with on WhatsApp and many more things. I have ever found the best app for my assignments and documents. Adobe Scan captures content in any condition regardless of light and background. Let's move on to our next app is Duolingo. This app is best for learning languages. Like I want to learn Turkish language, so I want to click on the Turkish language and then start it. So there is a question arise and you want to click on the answer. Fulfill the requirements and then you start there. Check the level. So there is a first question of my language is. Duolingo offers a skill tree of lessons that use listening exercises, flashcards and multiple choice questions to drill you on new words, phrases and sentences. Next app is very important called Dictionary Merriam-Webster. You can see the word of the day and learn day by day. You can also search any word of English from this, like I search enormous.
Enormous.
This is my favorite dictionary. Merriam-Webster is a wonderful dictionary and reliable source for information. The vocabulary quizzes and word of the day will be particular interest for every student. And this app is water reminder. You can set your goal that how much water you consume in a day, like bottles and glass all in one day. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for delivering nutrients to brain, for removing toxins. When brain is fully hydrated, the exchange of nutrients and toxins will be more efficient. It also keeps cell active and balanced chemical processes in brain. And move on to last step but not least. This is a very helpful app because it has saved my time. You can set your goals with how much time you use WhatsApp, Insta and every social media. This is literally best app for students. It tracks your every minute and thus really helped me to track my time every day. It will help you build a balance between study and social media. So these are all the 10 best study apps for students and thank you so much for your time.